guys, welcome back to the Suzuki South Africa YouTube channel, and we are at Suzuki South Africa today, and it's a very exciting day because we have the new Suzuki Dl 1050 DE 2023 model, and we are about to unbox this. Once it's unboxed, we'll also go through a few features and differences from the 2022 model or 2020 model to this one. Let's have some fun. Right guys, so there we have it. We have just finished unboxing the new 2023 DL 1050 DE. And as I promised earlier in the video, we will go through a few specs that have changed from the previous model to the new model. The main spec and the main thing that everybody's been asking for is the new 21-inch front wheel. Now that's quite exciting. Over and above the 21-inch front wheel, we now have an extra 10 mils of travel on the front and an extra 9 mils of travel on the rear. And we have now pushed the overall ground clearance up to 190 millimeters, which is 25 millimeters more than the previous one. Over and above that, we also now have the TFT screen. We have a quick shifter. We have obviously the tubeless wheels with a new tubeless rim design on the rear. And then we have the ABS mode, which you can now switch the rear ABS off in gravel mode. And the traction control you can obviously switch off, but they've also got a new gravel mode in traction control, which is all geared to helping you ride off-road better, a lot more freely, and have more control of the bike. So overall, I think it is a fantastic package, and we cannot wait to ride this bike, put it through its paces, and see how much difference there is between the old one and the new one. I'm certainly looking forward to it, and yeah, if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to comment and ask questions, and we'll do our best to answer. But until the next video, have fun. Cheers.